In this video, we're going to look at some quadratic equations, and there's different techniques that can be used to solve quadratic equations. And sometimes we get to choose which technique to use. Sometimes we're told what technique to use. In this problem, we're being told to solve this equation by extracting square roots. So let's get started. Before we do anything involving a square root, you recognize that what's being squared is the quantity 5x plus 2. So our first job is to get this quantity being squared all by itself. So let's add 15 to both sides. And then let's divide both sides by 3. And remember, anytime you need to, please pause the video and write down, work on your notes in your notebook, and then play whenever you're ready. And now that we've isolated this quantity being squared, we're ready to square root. When we take the square root of both sides, remember that we get something squared and then square rooted becomes the absolute value of 5x plus 2. This is going to equal the square root of 5. And the way we get rid of the absolute value bars is by going plus or minus on the right side. So we can say 5x plus 2 is equal to plus or minus the square root of 5. And now it's just old school algebra. We're going to subtract 2. Now we'll divide by 5. Here are two answers. Since we cannot simplify the square root of 5, we're going to stop here. We could always get decimal values if you're looking for decimal approximations. But this is a review of solving quadratic equations by extracting square roots. Thank you for watching the video. Hopefully this was helpful. When you're ready, go on and watch the next video.